Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Dr. Mohammad Shoaib Khan, PhD in Anatomy from University Putra, Malaysia, and I am lecturer in the Faculty of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Gomal University, DI Khan, Pakistan. Today I am here for the fourth lectures titled as Principle of Good Technical Writing, and it is the part of the lecture series of the scientific report writing and presentation. The next slide. There are 5 principles of writing a good technical report. So in the next slides we will know about these 5 principles about the technical report writing and presentation. The first principle is the audience centered technical writing. Know about your audience. What is the requirements of your audience? What is their interest, purpose of their required information? These 3 lines mean that before writing, keep in your mind that what your audience want to listen about this topic. Assume that the audience is very intelligent and uniform. Write down from the viewpoint of your audience. You are writing about something, you are writing about some report, you are writing some scientific paper. So maybe this is not a novel topic, maybe there is so much literature available on that topic. So keep in view of that all material, write about the interest of your audience. These all sentences means like that keep writing but know the interest of your audience. The next principle is the objective of the technical writing. Ask yourself why I am writing. Ask yourself another question, what I am writing to discover. Every element of the research report should contribute to the purpose. Clarity in your report. Simple and concise writing. Ask yourself these 2 questions, that why I am writing. Am I writing a technical report? Am I writing a disease investigation report? Am I writing a research article about a certain issue? And then ask yourself that what I will try to discover in this article, what I will try to discover in this research report, what I will try to discover in this investigation report. So the purposeless writing everywhere become failed. There should be a purpose. Are you writing a technical report? Are you writing a review paper? Are you writing a research paper? Are you writing a patent? Are you writing some article for the newspaper? Are you writing a letter? These are the simple things you should know about when you are going to start writing. The next 2 things, the clarity in your report. Your report should not be ambiguous. Your report should be very clear. Your report should have very clear end. And then you should use the simple and the concise way of writing. Don't put too much mess in your writing stuff. Don't put too long stories in your writing report. The next principle is very important, the language of the report. Use simple words in your draft. Don't use complex words and sentences. Write clear and complete abstract. Your writing should have an abstract when you are writing a scientific report. Should be very clear. Use language that is very simple, concrete, and familiar. Prefer familiar words instead of technical jargons. Once I wrote a paragraph and I was not good in writing, so I used many synonyms. When I went to my supervisor, he told, write simple words. Your simple words should be very simplified and people will love to read it. The next, your sentences should not contain of the complex words and long sentences. The clear and complete abstract will add beauty to your report. The complete and clear sentences will add a glory to your writing. The language of your report should be very simple, very concrete, and familiar, that a layman can understand this language. Prefer the familiar words instead of technical jargon that the non-familiar people cannot understand. Write so simple that a very layman of your field can understand your report. So what is next? Tell the reader step by step. Write introduction of your report. Write the body of your report. The body may be contained of your material and methods if you are writing a scientific paper, and your results. If you are writing a review paper, there should be many paragraphs led by the different headings and the subheadings, and then a beautiful discussion in which you discuss a very recent references about your research. If you are writing a technical report, then prove your result by recent references. Your report have a very concise summary and a conclusion, a very good type of suggestions, and then a references. Don't use every type of reference. Don't use mess here. Just use the references which are very relevant to your work and discuss these references in your discussion. The technical writer should be presentational. So use the graphics to support your text. Uniform data design will help to understand the readers. They observe the proper layout and the format. Don't jump to the other formats when you are following the one format. Just stay consistent to one format. Use clear legends for the graphics. If your report containing the pictures or the graphics, if you are reporting some disease, maybe you use some pictures, or your technical report should contain some graphics, then please use the legends which are easily understandable, that one layman can understand it very easily. Consistency for the audience. Use the consistent terms. use the consistent language, use the consistent paragraphs, use the consistent type of references. Complete your product which is neatly packed. The packing means your writing having the discussion, conclusion, suggestion, and a clear end which is understand by every type of people that are going to read your report. Dear student and viewers, this was all about the principles of writing good report. So thank you very much for listening, and the next lecture will be on the developing style in the technical writing. So stay tuned and keep listening and wait for my next lecture of this series. Thank you very much again. See you soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.